Hi there, thanks for tuning in. My name's Allison, and today I'm going to show you how to install this Sunlite Folding Basket onto your bike rack. The basket includes the mounting hardware that you'll need, which includes 3 clamps. They're about 1 inch in diameter, so if your bike rack has tubing bigger than 1 inch in diameter, you might need a larger clamp. It also comes with 3 zip ties, 2 wider zip ties and 1 skinnier one. And the only tool that you will need for this is a flathead screwdriver just for the clamps. The first thing that we'll need to do is open up the basket. So pull the long sides, short sides will open, and the bottom just needs to get locked into place. There's this little latch right here that's gonna lock onto the bottommost part of the basket. There we go. Our basket is now opened, so we can go ahead and install it. One of the benefits of this basket is that it can be installed either on top of your bike rack or on the side. Our bike rack is just a little too narrow for us to properly mount it to the top, so we're going to be installing it on the side. Just make sure that it's far enough back that your feet or your legs won't hit it when you're pedaling your bike. So now that we know where we are going to install it, let's go ahead and begin that process. You can use either the zip ties or the clamps. In this case, we're going to use a combination of both. Okie dokie, so we're going to get started by lining up the top of the basket with the top of the rack. It might be easier to install the clamp if you open it a little bit. Then you just need to install the zip tie. Another benefit of this basket is it can be retracted when not in use. With using this little latch up here, you just need to lift up the bottom of the basket, fold in the sides, and then you can use this little latch to secure it in place. And now your basket is retracted. And then when you need it again, all you do is open the latch, pull it out, and there you go. Your basket is now installed and ready to be used. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.